Hello there. Good morning. I am in my backyard garden. I'm reading from the Bible. Today I will read from the book of Psalms. I'm reading Psalm 133. Psalm 133 is about the blessedness of unity. But before I get started, I want to talk a little bit about what you're looking at. What you see in the video is the Elysium plant that is in the window box. So it's up very close to the house and it's doing really well even though it's January and it's quite chilly out. It's very fragrant and the blooms are still looking very nice. Okay, back to Bible reading. Today I'm reading Psalm 133, which is the blessedness of unity. And the reading begins. How very good and pleasant it is when kindred live together in unity. It is like the precious oil on the head, running down upon the beard, on the beard of Aaron, running down over the collar of his robes. It is like the dew of Hermon, which falls on the mountains of Zion. For there the Lord ordained his blessing, life forevermore. Here ends the reading of Psalm 133.